Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 33 cents and 63 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 5 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then widespread digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being wry, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source digital money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an unexpected image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Furthermore, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Its memorable is basic that dissimilar to on account of the financial exchange, most digital currencies are projects instead of companies. In this manner, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by leading a proper major examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Principal examination is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different interior and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is currently no rush toward and claimed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for regular consumption. To keep up with the usefulness of the biological system, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be procured. Dogecoin is presently worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 2.87% as of now with an exchanging volume of $696,519,117. Dogecoin is at present positioned 508 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $9,853,548,181 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 18 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Doge general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 14 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 26 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 23 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. Assuming that Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 33 cents, with a base cost of 29 cents and a typical cost of 31 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 38 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 37 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 41 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 46 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 48 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 44 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 52 cents and a yearly cost close above 55 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 59 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 63 cents, averaging out at 61 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 73 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 70 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary forms, Dogecoin was created as a speedy and quick installment framework in view of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The venture's objective was to fabricate major areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of cryptographic forms of money had proactively acquired boundless acknowledgement, with